is a saying that vidya ya vimuktihi, so it is knowledge that liberates. And I think this quotation cannot be more apt now, especially for someone like me, where vidya is so very liberating, so very empowering, and especially with, as yesterday I had said, Aladdin ka chirag, so many chirag just popping up, and I'm like, I'm overwhelmed, and at the same time, I'm feeling tremendously very good. For a change, I'm feeling, wow, even I am kind of tech savvy now, if not completely.
The circuit of doing a research, I did not know more than 50-60% of the tools. So that was a very interesting takeaway. And as I said earlier, that the barrier was not at all there, that there was a faculty, like a faculty to student or a student to faculty. It was a give and take. So that was very interesting. I went back and did try 2-3 tools as I could. And I feel that, even though we feel we are very much interacting with technology, but when it comes to properly handling it professionally, it's a different ballgame. Like using a WhatsApp and then using WhatsApp to create images is a totally different ballgame altogether.
Before this workshop, AI tools are seems to be rocket science for me, but now I am able to use all these tools. At least I can try. मुझे बहुत benefit हुआ है, especially Canva के बारे में जान के, and then Chat GPT, but private GPT was a little bit difficult for me. And about that, research rabbit and the idea mapping, that was wonderful tool to do the comparative study of articles and managing the data and all. And thank you so much for making me a part of this workshop.
मैंने जो देखा ये क्विल बोल्ट जो यूज किया, इसमें पैराफ्रेजिंग करना, जो उसको पैराग्राफ को सुधारना, न्यूज बनाना, न्यूज को सही करना, इसमें काफी चीजें हेल्पफुल हो जाएंगी। एआई ऐसी चीज है कि ये रुकने वाली नहीं है। पहले हम लोग ट्रेडिशनल सॉफ्टवेयर यूज करते थे, उसमें भी बड़ा लगता था कैसे सीखेंगे करेंगे। एआई आ गई, अब एक और मतलब हमारे लिए फायदेमंद है या मुसीबत है जो भी कहें, लेकिन दिखता है कि फायदेमंद है दुनिया के लिए, तो हमें उसको यूज करना है। भविष्य में इसके और भी एडवांस चीजें आएंगी, एडवांस उसकी तरह यूज होगी, तो हमें इसको और भी मतलब हमें रुकना नहीं है, सीखने के लिए इसको आगे बढ़ते जाना है, तो कोशिश करना है। और ऐसे इसको सीखने के लिए इसी टाइप की हमारी वर्कशॉप और जो आपने यह आयोजित की, ये भी यही काम आने वाली है।
I think you have created a lovely workshop which has been very useful. How things have changed in terms of the availability of AI, which has been very useful, the way it was told to us from yesterday onwards. I have learned a lot because I was very new to it and I was very excited to join this workshop. And you have given us the opportunity to not only learn a little bit of hands-on exercises that helped us to do it, opportunities for giving us, the openness in conducting this kind of a workshop has helped us a lot. Interactive workshop really helps. Hands-on workshop in an online session was very beautifully demonstrated by you and your colleagues.
Very overwhelmed, and it had helped me a lot. I have already started using the tools in my paper. So that is the first step I have done. As soon as I know about the tool, I start using it, and it's really helpful for me.
ChatGPT and some of the tools I was already using, but I got a lot of information from here, and this semantic scholar, then elicit, etc. These things are really going to be game changers. I have